So in this video, I'd like to have a look at a below the belt trimmer from the brand called balls.co. It is a very popular brand here in the UK and the USA, and thus in this video, I want to unbox it and check it out for you guys. So I hope you're excited, and with that said, let's get started. So I've got the package over here and let's unbox it. Alright, there we go. So I received 2 items in there, and hey, it matches with my shirt. So on the first box, it says your balls are in good hands. On the right side, it says we make you taller. On the back of it, it says Meet the Balls Trimmer 2.0, purpose built, featuring top quality micro trimming ceramic blades for precise trimming and a 6000 RPM motor, ideally tuned, not too fast, not too slow, to trim intimate hair of a wide range of textures and thicknesses. The balls trimmer is purpose built to minimize pulls, nicks and snags. Goes anywhere, waterproof, shock resistant and wireless. With a matte coating for a no slip grip, the balls trimmer is perfectly suited to helping men groom wherever they're most comfortable. And it couldn't be simpler, with just one button, one blade and one multi-position guard to choose the length. The balls trimmer is a lad's best choice for managing hair down there. Nothing more required. Support is part of the package. The balls trimmer is bundled with an illustrative yet entertaining how-to guide, dedicated online content and a 24/7 support team. So now let me open this package. Alright, there we go. And this is how the inside looks like. Quite a nice package. You receive a guide where it says read me, your quick start guide to a magnificent tool. And then on the package itself it says oh hello boys, where it shows all of the main components of the trimmer, such as the safe stack guard, replaceable extra sharp ceramic blade, 6200 RPM motor, waterproof casing and the USB-C charging port. It then says hold your balls, take a few minutes to watch this delightful video on how to use your new balls trimmer, your balls will thank you. And then finally inside of it you can find the trimmer. The trimmer itself has a very convenient grip area towards the front of it, which makes it easy to hold it, and at the same time it says balls over here. So if you press it, it turns on, and it also has this light over here. As well as the balls logo turns blue. And at the same time you also receive this little guard if you're someone that doesn't completely want to get rid of all of your hair. Furthermore, if you get rid of this spongy area over here, you'll find a little balls box with all of the accessories in it. So you receive the USB cable, cleaning brush and a countertop grater to put your balls trimmer on. So far when it comes to this ball trimmer, it is definitely not bad. It is quite small and convenient to put in your hands. The front part allows you to have a better grip when it comes to holding the trimmer, and at the same time it has an RPM of 6200. And in terms of the sound of the trimmer, if I press on this button it will appear blue. I know, haha, blue balls. But anyways, let me do it. It's not too bad. So I have checked out below the belt trimmers that have less noise than this. But at the same time, I've also checked out quite a lot of balls trimmer that had a louder sound than this one. And now for demonstrative purposes, let me try it on my forearm. Alright, that's it. And that's with a guard. So let me get rid of this guard now and check it out without. So this is the same area now, and let me check it out now. Alright, so it completely got rid of the area. So this balls.co trimmer does give a very close shave, something that's really good. And it seems to give a closer cut than a few others that I've previously checked out. And this is due to the ceramic blade. So there's a tiny gap between this silver area and this black area. And that's the technology that prevents you from nicking and cutting yourself. And the gap between it is a lot smaller than a few other trimmers that I've previously checked out. And thus, it gives you a closer trim while still trying to minimize you cutting yourself. So from what I've personally gathered when it comes to this trimmer, it definitely looks like a promising trimmer, although we all know that time can only tell how good this will perform over the long term in terms of battery life and how long it will last. But generally speaking, so far I love the design, the packaging was amazing, and I also really like that it gives a very close trim. Moving on to the next product is the Cleanse and Recharge Body Wash. This is made in South Korea, and from what I know, products that are made in South Korea tend to have better quality ingredients in them. So let me smell it now. It does have a very mild and refreshing scent to it, something that you obviously want to use on your body after hopping in the shower. So far this product looks like a very promising product, and at the same time You can't go wrong with this body wash. And thus this is pretty much the end of this video. If you would like me to make an update video when it comes to the balls.co brand, or if you'd like me to compare it to another balls trimmer, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to check these products out for yourself, if you use the discount code Meninfluencer17, you'll get 17% of your purchase, and I hope this will make it a little bit more affordable. So that's pretty much the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.